Hi guys, last time I had posted a video where I had said that the Nifty will go to 70,500 for first second target. Uh, I'll show you the chart. The chart. This is what I had mentioned in the previous video. Target 1 16,822 achieved. Set target to 17,500, which will be achieved tomorrow. Okay, so now this is done. Now what next? Okay, now it's the March, ending of March. What is the next step? So let's go step by step. Let's go step by step. First, let me take the larger view, the yearly view. Markets went from 17,500 from 2 years back at non-stop went to 18,600 and corrected. As expected, in the beginning of the year, I had mentioned for the rest of the year, we are going to go to sideways market, say from 18,500 to 19,000 to 14,400, 15,500. So market has corrected to roughly around 15,700. Even if it goes to 14,400 or 14,200, it's still, we are still good for a bull rally. So, but that is later. So as of now, for the year, you expect a range of 14,500, 15,500 to 18,600, 19,000, 19,200. That range, say from this 14,200 to say around 19,200. So it will be in this range for the rest of the year. So that takes care of the yearly range. Now let's come down to monthly. ये हो गया long term. Now let's go to mid term or short term. I'm zooming in. My target of 17,500 is achieved, which will be achieved tomorrow. Now, what makes me think now what will happen next? I'm not predicting the market because predicting the market is useless. What I try to do is use information from the technical side. Technicals does tell us that a breakout has happened, that it may go to this target. Technicals like simple technicals or neo waves, they do tend to tell us, but I never go exactly by that. I go by the price because price is king. So once the breakout happens, then I take it for granted that it's going to go up, or breakdown happens, it'll go down. Now, uh, actually, I never rehearse for the video, so what I'm telling you is spontaneous. Now, after a top of 18,600, we corrected here in a zigzag to 15,700. Now what makes me think that the bottom is done there? There are some reasons. First thing, in neo waves, ABC is done. So 15,700 ABC is done. This trend line break confirmed that the downtrend is over for the time being. Now it's going to go to sideways or up. Okay. Point number two, at 200 DMA, which is here around 17,000, 16,962, say 17,000. That is a 200 DMA. Below it, bear rules. Above it, the bull rules. Now it is clearly above the 17,000 DMA. So now bulls will start ruling. That means you will buy on dips. Tomorrow we are going to get 200 gap up again. So what? That is one thing. That is one thing that the ABC is done. Now that is the first point. Second point is it's about the 200 DMA. Now third thing, where will this rally go up? This rally will mostly go up to the high, that is 18,600. Now this is very important. What I'm going to tell you is the rally will go up to 18,600. So if it rally crosses 18,600 before 21st of July, that means it's going to go to 19,000, 19,200. If it goes to 18,600 after 21st of July, that means is that a second top has happened. 18,600, if it goes to 18,600, doesn't cross it, even after 21st of July, then that means the second top is done. So for 19, I'll repeat again, for us to go to 19,000, 19,200, we have to cross the high of 8 this high, 18,600 before 21st of July. If we don't cross that before the 21st of July, that means the second top is done and you sell again as 18,600 and book major profits in your delivery stocks. So that's another thing. Another point, April, we are going to have the result season. Now, what is it with the result? How will the result season impact the markets? Will it go up? Let's use common sense. Open up हुआ है, so definitely the businesses must will make more money. There will not be a dearth of business, depending obviously on what category the business lies in. But mostly everything will be good. So we should expect medium to good results. So that is a positive point. Second thing, war. What about the war? 1 2 months may war should be settled unless there's some big problem that even I don't know what will may happen or may not happen. But within 1 2 months, the war should settle. So that is another second point. And the third point, we'll have a rainy season rally till June. So that's a third factor. So these, and another factor is IPO, LIC IPO. LIC IPO is postponed. I don't know when it's going to come, but that day or the week it comes, that particular week or the following 1 2 weeks, the markets will not may not go up because a lot of money will be sucked into the IPO. But that date, even I don't know when the IPO is going to come out. It's not confirmed yet. So result season expected to be good or average. Rainy season rally. War should be settled by 1 2 weeks unless there's some worst case scenario. So this all augurs well for the markets. And secondly, we should, if we have a wave, a one zigzag down, we have a zigzag up also, which may end or cross 18,600. So we take 18,600 as of now and go along with the markets. Now, what should we do? When should we enter now? Markets has made a bottom of 15,600 to 17,200, whopping rally. Obviously, it needs to cool down. So, where it will cool down, what should you do? Simple, you wait for it to relax. Tomorrow we'll be have a, most probably have a 200 gap up. We'll have a 200 gap up. Then after for the next week, most probably we will relax, and the markets may come to test 17,000 again. When it comes to 17,000 again, that's when you buy your delivery. So keep this in mind. Enter when the market corrects, takes a breather. Everything takes a breather in the universe after a hard run. Any you take any factors in the universe, it always takes a pause. So once it goes to 17,000, Nifty come relaxes to 17,000, you will enter stocks. Now, which stocks to enter? Simple. First, to ITC. ITC has already given a breakout. 265 is the target. When it takes a breather, I don't think ITC is going to take a breather, but you can enter ITC. You can enter SBI when it corrects. Okay. Then you can enter the one more stock is Bajaj Auto and Titan. You can Titan. I'm sorry, I couldn't get the chart. Titan has, even in this down market, see, it's crossed the high. Blue skies. We call it blue skies. Means is even in the down market, in a war zone market, Titan has zoomed up. So that means it's going to go to new high. So you can stock up on Titan. Then M&M, rainy season stock, tractors, tractors, CMNM. It's here. So expect it to go to 981. So when on a correction, you can buy an M&M. See, even by 2 months, you can even keep M&M for 1 year, 2 years point of view. But I'm giving an option. You can keep it for short term also. Bajaj Auto, bikes, rainy season equal to farmers reaping profits, etc., etc., and buying more bikes being bought. So that's another stock. And SDFC Bank. Look at these stocks. These are all these are all Pitawa stocks. HDFC Bank came from 17,222 to 1476. So you can buy HDFC Bank. HDFC HDFC Bank is separate. HDFC is separate. See, HDFC is given a breakout. Again, it's going to go to 4. It's now 2,400. It will go to 3,000. So these are some of the stocks which I've explained. So please follow what I've said. And of course, do not forget my disclaimer. I hope I've helped with this video. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. All the best.